Hello everyone, let's have our new lesson which is dividing polynomials using long method. Pero alamin muna natin ano ba yung mga polynomials. Kapag sinabing binomial, trinomial, o yung mga expression na ang highest exponent ay 4, 5, 3, and so on, ay tinatawag nating polynomials. Pero may mga expression din naman na hindi pwedeng tawaging polynomials. Ano-ano yung mga yon? So, una sa lahat ay the expression has a variable in the denominator. Kapag meron daw letra or variable sa denominator, ibig sabihin automatic ang given expression ay hindi polynomial. Halimbawa, eto 1 over x. May letter x doon sa denominator or may variable sa denominator. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya pwedeng i-consider as polynomial. Okay? Another one. Let's say 3x cubed plus 5 over x squared plus 7x minus 8. So, over x squared, may denominator na may variable, hindi siya polynomial. Okay? So, let's have the second one. The expression has a negative exponent. Madaling tandaan, negative. Kapag may negative exponent daw, automatic, hindi polynomial. Okay? Halimbawa, x raised to negative 2 plus 3. So, hindi siya pwedeng maging polynomials kasi dito kay negative 2. Pag negative ang exponent, again, hindi polynomial. Another one, let's say 5x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to negative 3 plus 8 raised to negative 3. So, bawal din yun. Kahit isang expression lang or isang term lang sa given expression, hindi siya pwedeng tawaging polynomial. Okay po? Let's have the number 3. The expression has fractional exponent. From the root word fractional, ibig sabihin kapag may fraction na exponent. Halimbawa, x squared minus x raised to 1 half plus 3. Etong 1 half, alam nating lahat na yan ay fraction. Automatic si expression ay hindi polynomial. Okay? Hindi siya polynomial. Dahil kay fraction na exponent. Paano kapag ganito? The square root of x minus x squared minus x raised to 1 half plus 3. Ayun, may 1 half pa rin kaya hindi pa pwede. Pero dalawa ang reason dito sa expression na to kung bakit hindi siya polynomial. Una, itong 1 half. Pangalawa, itong square root of x. Bakit kaya hindi pwede yung variable sa loob ng radical sign? Tinatawag natin o yung square root na yan. Kasi po, si square root ay pwede nating isulat in fraction form. Ang square root of x becomes or can be written as x raised to 1 half as well. Bakit x raised to 1 half? Yung 1 ay galing dito sa exponent na 1, ang 2 ay galing dito sa 1 half. Then yung x, ito yun. So, x raised to 1 half. Tandaan, kapag may fraction na exponent, bawal. Kahit walang fraction na exponent pero may radical sign, bawal pa din. Again, si radical sign can be written in fraction as well. Okay? Yan lang yung tatlong restriction na dapat nating tandaan. Bawal ang variable sa ilalim, bawal ang negative exponent, bawal ang fractional exponent. Let's proceed. So, practice muna tayo kung paano mag-divide ng 135 divided by 4. So, pag sinulat yan, that becomes 135 divided by 4. Yung ating nasa unahan ang may ilalagay sa loob ng division sign, then ito si 4. Yung 135 ay nasa loob. So, yung 4 ay tinatawag nating divisor at si 135 ay si dividend. Ang tawag natin yan. Divisor, dividend. Divisor, dividend. Okay po. So, let's divide. 1 divide 4 cannot be. So, let's have 13 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 4 is 12. So, let's subtract. Subtract. 13 minus 12 becomes 1. Let's bring down 5. So, I have 15 now. 15 divided by 4 is 3 again. 3 times 4 is 12. Again, let's subtract. We have 15 minus 12, 3. So, si 3 ang ating tinatawag na remainder. At si 33 ang quotient. So, paano natin isusulat ang sagot? Nung tayo ay elementary, sinusulat yan as 33 and 3 over 4. Saan ang galing ang 33? Sa quotient. Ang 3 sa remainder. Ang 4 dito sa ating divisor. Okay? Or pwede rin naman na 33 plus 3 over 4. Yun din yun. Ano, nilagyan lang natin ng plus. So, 33 plus 3 over 4. Bakit sinulat ko in this format? Kasi kailangan natin yan mamaya in dividing polynomials. Okay? Review lang yan. Let's proceed sa ating lesson. Let's have a farmer wants to divide his rectangular farm into a smaller plots. The area of the farm in square meters is represented by 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x minus 4. Each smaller plot has the area represented by x plus 2. How many smaller plots can the farmer make from the entire farm area? Again, ito ang entire farm area. So, ito ang ating dividend. Ito ang smaller plots, ito ang divisor. So, isulat natin. Ito ang ating mga given. So, kapag sinulat, nasa loob yung dividend, syempre. Nasa labas ang divisor. Let's divide now. Ilang x daw meron kay 3x cubed? So, ilang x meron kay 3x cubed is equal to 3x squared. Paano nangyayari yun? Yung 3 na coefficient, i-divide natin doon sa 1 dito na coefficient din. 3 divide 1 is 3. Then yung exponent, kapag tayo ay nag-divide, nagsasubtract tayo ng exponent. Ang exponent ng x ko dito sa loob ay 3, sa labas ay 1. 3 minus 1, 2. Kaya ang exponent ko dito ay 2. Again, 3 divide 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Copy yung variable na x. Taas, divide, pababa, multiply. So, let's have 3x squared times x. Kung nahihirapan, pwedeng utay-utayin. 3 times 1 is 3. X squared times x. Kapag multiplication, ina-add naman ang exponent. Again, division, subtract ang exponent. Multiplication, add ang exponent. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So, 3x raised to 3. Okay na? Then, dahil dalawang term ang ating divisor, dadaanan natin siyempre sila parehas. I have 3x squared times positive 2. 3 times 2, 6. May x squared, walang x, kopya lang yung x squared. So, 3x squared times 2 is positive 6x squared. Then, syempre, lalagyan natin yan ng guhit. Then, parenthesis para hindi tayo malito. Then, subtract sa labas. Kaya tayo nag-parenthesis para si subtraction ay i-distribute natin doon sa dalawang sign na nasa loob. So, negative times positive becomes negative. Negative times positive becomes negative. So, yung bagong sign na ang ating gagamitin ngayon. I have now 3x cubed minus 3x cubed. Kung mapapansin nyo, parehas na 3x cubed pero magkaiba ang sign. Ibig sabihin, cancel yan. 0 na yan. Ano? 0. Then, meron akong 5x squared minus 6x squared. Mga anak, kapag nag-a-add or nag-subtract ng mga variables at ng mga term rather, tatandaan ninyo na ang gagalawin nyo lang ay ang coefficient. Si variable ay kokopyahin lamang. Okay po? So, we have 5 minus 6 is negative 1. Kopya ang x squared. Si negative 1, alam naman natin hindi nilalagay ang 1. Kaya magiging negative x squared. Again, saan ang galing? 5 minus 1, imaginary negative 1. Ano? Ang 1 ay imaginary. Kaya, kopya ang x squared magiging negative x squared. Kasi 1 times x squared is still x squared. Kaya hindi natin nilalagay ang 1 kasi hindi naman siya makaka-apekto. Bring down negative 2x. Itong nasa taas, baba lang natin. So, let's divide again. Negative x squared divided by x. Ilang x meron kay x squared? So, yun. So, negative divide positive, isa-isahin natin. Magkaibang sign, automatic, negative. Then, x, ang exponent ng x ay 2, ang exponent ng x ay 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Kaya, negative x ang sagot natin. So, negative x times x is negative x squared. Then, negative x times positive 2. Negative times positive is negative. Then, x times 2 is negative 2x. Okay? So, lagyan ng guhit, lagyan ng parenthesis, minus. Then, i-distribute ang subtraction sa loob. So, negative times negative, positive. Negative times negative, positive. Okay po? So, x squared, negative x squared plus x squared, parehas x squared, magkaibang sign, matik, cancel. Negative 2x plus 2x, parehas na 2x, magkaiba ang sign, cancel. Pero may hindi pa ako nabababa ng negative 4, kaya bring down negative 4. So, I have negative 4 divided by x. Ilang x daw meron kay negative 4? Walang x if 4, kaya cannot be. Again, hindi na pwedeng i-divide kung walang variable dito sa loob. Okay po? So, ang tanong kasi ilang x meron kay 4? Wala. Kaya cannot be na yun. Ngayon, paano natin isusulat ang sagot kung may remainder tayong negative 4? So, kunin natin ang quotient, ang remainder at ang divisor. So, meron akong the farm can be divided into 3x squared minus x. Doon yun ang galing sa ating exponent, sa ating quotient, minus 4 dahil dito sa remainder over your divisor na x plus 2. Ganyan magsulat ng sagot in dividing polynomials using long method kapag tayo ay may remainder. So, tatandaan, yung over ay para lamang doon kay remainder. When we multiply x plus 2 by 3x squared minus x, then add negative 4, automatic, ito ang makukuha natin yung nasa loob ng ating division sign. So, I hope naintindihan. Let's have the second one. A bookstore sells bundles of notebooks. The total price of bundle in peso or in pesos is modeled by the polynomial 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 5x. Each notebook costs x plus 1. How many notebooks are in one bundle? Yun yung tanong. So again, this will be your dividend. This will be your divisor. So isulat natin. Dividend, divisor. So, we have 2x cubed divided by x. To divide 1 is 2. Ang exponent ay 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Kaya 2x cubed divided by x, 2x squared. Okay? Then 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. Inad ng exponent sa pababa. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 1 naman dito is 2. Kaya 2x cubed. Then, dalawang term, kaya daanan parehas. 2 times 1 is 2. May x squared, walang x, kopya ito. Okay, 2x squared times 1 becomes 2x squared. Lagyan ng guhit, lagyan ng parenthesis, minus. So, distribute ang subtraction sa loob. I have negative times positive is negative, negative times positive is negative. So, meron tayong 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, parehas 2x cubed, magkaiba ang sign, cancel. So, 7x squared minus 2x squared. Ito naman, wala tayong pakialam kay variable at exponent. Ang papakialaman natin ay ang coefficient. 7 minus 2 is 5. Copy ang x squared. Then, bring down 5x. Baba ko lang. So, I have ilang x meron kay 5x squared. So, minus ang exponent. 5 divided by 1, 5. X raised to 2 minus 1. So, x raised to 1 na lang. Si 1 ay hindi nilalagay. Therefore, 5x squared divided by x is positive 5x. Bakit positive? Parehas kasi silang positive, kaya positive yun. Okay? So, 5x times x, 5x squared. 5x times 1, positive 5x. Okay? Lagyan ng guhit, lagyan ng parenthesis, subtract. Then, distribute itong subtraction sa loob. So, negative times positive, negative. Negative times positive, negative. I have now 5x squared minus 5x squared. So, wala na yan. Cancel na yan. 5x minus 5x. Parehas din sila. Magkaiba ang sign. Cancel, cancel. So, wala tayong ibababa. Kaya 0. Ibig sabihin, wala tayong remainder. Ano, may mga pagkakataong may remainder. Merong pagkakataong wala. So, ang final answer, the bundle contains 2x squared plus 5x notebooks. Ayan yung sagot sa tanong kanina doon sa given problem. So I hope naintindihan natin kung paano mag-divide using long method. Let's have the third one. A clothing shop calculates the total cost of producing t-shirts in pesos using the polynomial 4x to the fourth power plus 3x cubed plus 2x squared plus 6x. Each batch of clothes can make shirts represented by x squared plus 2. How many batches of clothes are needed to produce all the t-shirts? So, ito ang dividend, ito ang divisor. So, we have, okay, lagay na natin. So, sorry. 4x to the fourth divided by x to the second. So, you have 4 divided 1 is 4. Exponent ay 4, ang exponent ay 2. So, 4 minus 2, 2. So, I have 4x squared. Again, sorry, hindi ko nabanggit kanina. Ipapantay natin yung mga sagot natin doon sa loob. Okay? Kung saan yung kapantay niyang exponent, doon natin siya ilalagay na dapat. So, we have 4x squared. Multiply pababa. 4x squared times x squared. 4 times 1, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. Kaya, 4x squared times x squared, 4x to the fourth power. Then, 4x squared times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Kopya lang to. Positive, positive, kaya positive 8x squared. Bakit ko nilakdangan yung 3x cubed? Kasi ang exponent nito ay x squared lang. 4x squared times 2 is 8x squared. Kaya dito ko siya ipapantay. Yung 3x squared, hayaan mo lang muna kung wala siyang kapantay. Walang problema yan. Okay? So, lagyan ng guhit, lagyan ng parentheses, subtract. Negative times positive, negative. Negative times positive, negative. So, 4x to the fourth minus 4x to the fourth, cancel. Etong 3x cube, wala siyang kapantay, kaya atin siyang ibababa, 3x cube. Okay? Bababa kung walang kapantay. I have now negative 2x squared minus 8x squared. Parehas sila ng sign, parehas negative. So, anong gagawin sa number? Like sign, add a number, copy the sign. So, negative 10x, copy din the variable, negative 10x squared. Then, bring down na rin natin yung 6x. So, meron tayong 3x cubed minus 10x squared plus 6x. Divide tayo. Itong nasa unahan lang. 3x cubed divided by x squared. 3 divide 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So, 3x cubed divided by x squared. Positive parehas, kaya positive 3x. Again, 3 divide 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, kaya 3x. So, 3 times x squared, 3x cubed. 3x times 2. Okay, positive 6x. Nilampasan ulit natin si x squared kasi wala naman siyang kalinya doon sa sagot. Okay? So, lagay ng equal sign. Okay, okay. Negative, positive, negative. Negative times positive, negative. So, parehas 3x, magkaiba ang sign, cancel. Bring down negative 10x squared sa baba. Then, ito kinancel na natin kasi parehas na 6x pero magkaiba ang sign kaya cancel din. So, meron na lang akong negative 10x squared. So, ngayon, parehas silang x squared. So, ibig sabihin kaya pa. Ang rule kasi kapag nag-divide ng polynomials, dapat either mas mataas ang exponent nung nasa loob or equal lang sila. Pag mas mababa, hindi na yun pwede. Cannot be na yun. Okay? So, we have negative 10 divided by 1, negative 10. X squared or 2 minus 2 is 0. And x raised to 0 is equal to 1. Kaya disregarded na rin yung x kasi magiging 1 lang siya. 1 times 10 is still 10. Kaya mas madali kapag parehas ang exponent, cancel na lang yun. Okay po? So, ang sagot, negative 10. Negative 10 times x squared, negative 10x squared. Negative 10 times 2, parehas negative, isang positive, negative 20. So, close parentheses, minus, that becomes plus, that becomes less. 10x squared plus 10x squared, negative, positive, cancel. So, si 20, walang kalinya, bring down lang natin siya, 20, positive. So, 20 divided by x squared. So, eto ay walang variable, eto ay may variable. Ang sabi ko kanina, either equal dapat ang exponent nila or mas mataas pa dapat itong nasa loob. Dahil wala na ito, edi cannot be na. So, this will be your remainder. At ang sagot mo ngayon ay 4x squared plus 3x minus 10 plus 20 over x squared plus 2. So, again, si 20 lang ang lalagyan natin ng denominator na x plus 2 kasi si 20 lang naman ang remainder natin. So, again, there are 4x squared plus 3x minus 10 plus 20 over x plus 2 batches of clothes needed. So, that's how we divide. Let's have the next one. An engineer is designing a water tank. The volume of the tank in cubic meters can be expressed by the polynomial 2x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3x plus 2. The space occupied by the tank's base and sides is x squared plus x minus 1. How many layers of materials are needed to construct the tank? Let's divide. Let's have now 2x to the fourth plus 3x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3x plus 2 divided by x squared plus x minus 1. So, isulat na natin. I have now 2x to the fourth divided by x squared. 2 divided 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, 2x squared. 2x squared times x squared. Okay, 2x to the fourth. Then 2x squared times x. Positive 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 1 or negative and positive. Negative 2x squared. So, parenthesis minus. Change the sign inside the parenthesis. So, 2x to the fourth, 2x to the fourth, magkaiba ang sign. Matik, cancel. 3x cubed minus 2x cubed. So, 3 minus 2 is 1. X cubed. Hindi natin nilalagay ang 1, kaya x cubed. Negative 5 plus 2, it becomes negative 3x squared. So, bring down negative 3x. So, I have now x cubed divided by x squared. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, we have positive x. X times x squared is x cubed. X times x is positive x squared. X times negative 1, negative x. So, parenthesis minus 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 plus. So, parehas x cubed, magkaiba ang sign, cancel. Negative 3 minus x squared or negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4x squared. Negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2x. Bring down positive 2. So, I have now negative 4x squared divided by x squared. So, meron akong negative 4 divided 1 is negative 4. X squared, parehas x squared, cancel na yan. Ano? Dahil 2 minus 2 is 0. And x raised to 0 is always equal to 1. And 1 times negative 4 is still negative 4. Kaya cancel. Ang natira na lang ay negative 4. Negative 4 times x squared, negative 4x squared. Negative 4 times x, negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 1, positive 4. So, change, change, change. So, I have now here, parehas na, cancel. Ito, negative 2 plus 4, positive 2x. Positive 2 minus 4, negative 2. Kaya 2x minus 2. Ngayon, 2x divided by x squared. Kung mapapansin natin, ang exponent nito ay mas mababa kaysa sa highest exponent ng divisor. Kaya, ibig sabihin, cannot be na. Hindi na siya pwedeng i-divide pa. Therefore, 2x will be your remainder. Ano ngayon ang final answer? So, I have 2x squared plus x minus 4. Dahil ito ay positive, plus 2x minus 2 over x squared plus x minus 1. To answer the question, there are 2x squared plus x minus 4 plus 2x minus 2x. So we have there are 2x squared plus x minus 4 plus 2x minus 2 divided by x squared plus x minus 1. Ito ay nagmula kay remainder, ito ay divisor, etong hanggang kay negative 4 ay quotient. Materials needed to construct a tank. So, that's how we divide polynomials using long method. So again, dapat tandaan kapag paakyat, nagdi-divide tayo minus ang or subtract ang exponent. Kapag nagmumultiply, add ang exponent. So that's all for today. Thank you and God bless.